All right, love bugs. So today we are in Bayonne, New Jersey, okay, at the Dollar Tree. Finna move our feet to the beach, child. Listen, have you guys seen these? These are so cute. Peep this. Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. The glass candle holder, honey, not this one, this one. You see this with the bow? Look how beautiful this is. Great for the holidays. Absolutely love this. They also have the taller ones as well. Really cute. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here moving and grooving. Now you gotta move your feet to the beat, doll faces. And of course, Dollar Tree has these metal lanterns, the gold ones. We have seen these. These are $3. Love this. You want the new? You want the new, the fancy, or the McFanciest? And some stuff we may have seen already. But honey, you're gonna be impressed with this Dollar Tree haul. I guarantee you. Okay, I guarantee you. Now, of course, Dollar Tree has the Neutrogena makeup removal, ultra soft cleansing, towels. Now, somebody said that in LA that they sell these for $2. Okay, Dollar Tree here, these are $1.25. 7 plant-based. You get 7 of these Neutrogena wipes. Honey, we call it around here a deal. A deal like Holyfield. Alright, so in the snack aisle, few items that Dollar Tree has that's, I was about to say natural. Okay, so natural. Freeze-dried mixed fruit. Ooh, this looks delish. They also have Nature's Garden tropical fruit trail mix. $1.25. Strawberry and banana chips. Okay, Dollar Tree coming through for the ones and twos. My loves, we in the snack aisle. Dollar Tree, this look like it's a name brand, don't it? Now, this is the shortbread global brands cookies. Now, honey, this whole pack $1.25. They just showing out at this point. All right, so Dollar Tree has Island Choice. Look at this. Dice yellow clean stone peach cups, okay, and light syrup. You get 3 of these. Pineapple, no, these are new. These gotta be new. Mandarins, orange cups, $1.50. They also have diced mangoes, $1.50. Honey, you better come on down to Dollar Tree. You better come on down to Dollar Tree and get some of this stuff, okay? And let me tell you something, if you are looking for great Halloween costumes for your little ones, Dollar Tree has this gorgeous tutu, Barbie, of course, with the eyeglasses, the headband, and honey, they also have the unicorn dress-up kit. Love this. This is $5. They also have the mini play shoes, which I believe are $5 as well. Look at Dollar Tree. Now, they also have the mermaid dress-up kit as well. The headbands. This is so cute. Honey, I am impressed to say the least. Honey, I feel like Dollar Tree is saying their song with LL Cool J. I've been doing this for years. Mama said, knock you out. I don't know who they trying to knock out, honey. But it feels like they trying to knock somebody out. Okay, check these items out. Now, Dollar Tree also have these chunky tinsel garlands out. These are $4. They come in 2 different colors. They have the green, of course, and the red. Gorgeous disco balls, which are $5. Love that. They also have other garland balls, which are so gorgeous. My fave is definitely that blue and silver next. You know, I'm a gold girl, okay? That gold is divine. Door hangers, anyone, Dollar Tree definitely is in a place to be. They also have these plaid ornament wall decors. Love this. And my fave is definitely these bowls. Oh my goodness, these are $7. Now they come in 3 different colors, but they have different designs. They have the gold, the green, and also they have the red. Love this. One of the items that I absolutely love is this story Starry globe. Okay, now this is so cute, especially if you have young ones that are afraid to sleep in their own room by themselves. Honey, get them one of these are $1.50. Love this. Now it has color changing, 7 rotating colors, battery operated of course, and then they also have the on and on switch. Love this. Now, to my furry lovers, Dollar Tree has the dog waste bag dispensers with the flashlight. Check them out, check them out, check them out. Okay, you get 10 pieces. Now, I believe it's 9 bags, and then, of course, the dispenser. Love this. Now, these are, I believe, $1.50. Honey, try to tell me they ain't delivering. Now, I don't know if you guys have been peeping Dollar Tree nail sets. Honey, 12 pieces for $1.25. This is gorgeous. They also have these fashion nails as well, $1.25. Really, really love this. Honey, when you talk about Lady Bird been doing her thing like a chicken wing, honey, been doing her thing like a chicken wing. Now, of course, Dollar Tree has the skinny brow pencil. That's what I have on my brows right now. This is really, really good. And I do have the dark brown. Now, these come in different shades. This appears to be the last one, I think, left. Honey, these sold out really, really quick. $1.25. Not bad at all. Love this. Now, if you guys are looking for brow powder, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Fill in, and then they also have the highlight for a lifted brow look. Really, really cool from LA Colors. This is $1.25. Now, my love, some of these items, I don't know if I just been missing out, okay? Because it appears to be a lot of new items here. Now, check this out. Dollar Tree has these gold placemats. These are cute. I like these. Really, really nice. They solid, one color, have the glitter going on like the break of dawn. This is really, really nice for $1.25. Oh, $1.50, child. And of course, Dollar Tree has the silicone brushes mold over here. Honey, they only have a few of these left, okay? They have the Garfield, and honey, only the Smurfs. All the rest of them, they done gone. Oh, wait, hold on, child. They still have the Minnie Mouse silicone mold and also the Mickey Mouse hand. Great for eggs and pancakes. Now, if you having a party or throwing any type of celebration, Dollar Tree has these cutlery set, all right, 144, 48 spoons, 48 knives, 48 forks, and this is $5. Honey, that's a steal deal. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite items. Mine definitely was those Libby cups. I can't believe it, okay? You're welcome. The Libby cups. They also had those lanterns with the bow at the top. Dollar Tree out here delivering. With that being said, let us know in the comment section what are you guys all looking to purchase, and also what have you purchased that blew your mind. Until next time, peace.